Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lorho Foze calls for unity of hills and valley inhabitants for peace and prosperity on 36th Foundation Day celebrations of Manipur Hills Journalists Union. Talks between Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and members of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee bring no solution. STDC resolves to intensify agitation. And All Manipur Poultry and Dairy Young Farmers Entrepreneurs Association urges government to check illegal imports of poultry in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Hills Journalists Union held its 36th Foundation Day celebrations at the Manipur Press Club today. Speaking on the occasion, Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lorho Foze urged people of both hills and valley to unite for peace and prosperity. He lauded journalists for serving the public despite various obstacles and challenges in the profession. He appeals to the media fraternity to be careful in publishing contents which could create communal disharmony. Members of Manipur Hills Journalists Union, established in 1984, submitted a memorandum to the MP appealing to construct a proper headquarter of the union in Tamenglong district and branch offices in every district of the state. MP Dr. Lorho Foze listened to their appeal and assured to approach the relevant authorities for the same. Union President Ramkung Pamay and DIPR APO T. Sangita attended the event.
A lot of gaps, misunderstandings between the hills and the valleys. Let us work so that we do not misrepresent. There is good intent among our valley brothers and sisters. There is good intent among our hills people, amongst the tribals. If our intentions are made clear, I'm sure there will be a lot more harmony and goodness, and that there will be a lot more love and confidence. There will be no mistrust. The trust deficit will be removed if we represent things correctly. And therefore, as I take up this challenge even to serve all of you, I also pray and I also humbly request you not to misrepresent me as well.
Members of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee STDC have resolved to intensify their agitation against state government's failure to send recommendation to the centre for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Speaking to media at the shrine of Ima Kuntonganbi in Thamaiban today, convener of coordinating body Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Laistram Romesh, stated that STDC members held talks with Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren last night about their demand. He asserted that though Chief Minister Biren termed the inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list as a right move, he failed to give any assurance on sending of the necessary recommendation to the centre. Romesh stated that the meeting fails to bring any conclusion as the Chief Minister lacks courage to do the right thing. He also asked those working for the railways project in the state to back down and support the STDC.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee ki mai kai digi lengak tap ekoina nungai to fauridi honorable CM Biren namasi political win laitabadagi hairiba recommendations thadabani tungi future da phahugadaba kana hugadaba yaifagadaba oirabadi tasengna athingba ayetpa natragana khudung chadaba mayam khak mayokna ba taragasu madu nam khairaga magi nation du gi damak tungi future gi damak ekoi tofam thokpa mathaudang do ekoi tofam thokpani adubu honorable CM city tasengna miyam mamangda utchai program ni natraga miyam gi ming silaibani humanitarian oiba mini haibadugi face saving ama pairaga adugumba thabak khara mayam du utchaiba khara tawsalaga tasengna miyam gi oiba tungi future gi oiba thabak tu di tawdaba tungi future cost tu dagi magi sem gi oiba chokri du ne hana lumbagi wafam mai khoin.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee also strongly condemned Imphal Police Station OC Ingocha for his conduct during yesterday's protest at Moirangkhom Railway Office. He demanded authorities concerned to take necessary actions against his brutality towards the democratic protesters, which included senior citizens.
Poizen changa suka sukaide aini run of logi matungina dubu yamne hetta lanai oina tati tawoina ne ta khut ka thadana tawbudumakti poi tawaning de aduna sigumba yamna criminal oiba yamna sigumba miyoibagi minungsi yaudaba miyoibagi wakhal chendaba sigumba police officer se sigumba Imphal city manungda miyam ga tona tina na laigadaba miyam ga tathok tasin tawraga laigadaba siguma mafamda thamaningde siguma police officer sidi taseng hai kan moidi jungle gumba a menman ta da mafam dai khoi thambam thokpani aduna lengak na su hiram sigi matang da miyang changdan haiba policing se masi mafam chaba mokhoi ki knowledge ki mokhoi tawriba thabak thoram dugi matungina mokhoi se mafam chaba mafam dai khoi.
People of Tamenglong district took out a mass protest rally against the transfer order of Tamenglong Deputy Commissioner Armstrong Pamay today. Makwam Village Authority and Thaubei halted North-East railway construction works in the district from today till September 9 against the same. It may be mentioned that residents of Makwam Marangching village submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongtong Bombirin to repost Deputy Commissioner Armstrong Pamay on August 31st. Dairy Young Farmers Entrepreneurs Association has urged the government to check illegal imports of poultry in the state. Speaking to media at Kuki Community Hall in Langol, Imphal West today, spokesperson of the association, K. Haukip, expressed apprehension over health hazards from eating chemical-laden imported poultry. He also stated that such unchecked imports make low-priced poultry abundant in the market, bringing plights to local poultry farmers.
Regarding poultry, but in other fields too. And so, therefore, our request in particular to the government of Manipur is to kindly look into the influx and import or smuggling of this illegal, regardless of all human social welfare and health. These are being imported. So we request the government of Manipur to look into this and ban this immediately so that the people does not face a consequence and more or less and moreover the economy of Manipur is not being manipulated or exploited. This is our humble appeal to the government of Manipur.
JC formed against the suspicious death of girl student of St. Robert High Secondary School has appeals to Chief Minister Nongtong Bombirin to hand over the death case to the CBI at the earliest. The JC in a press release also urged various organizations in Thangmaiban constituency to refrain from holding any forms of celebrations until the case is solved. Moirang Block Congress Committee has urged the government to reinvest the misappropriated funds for development works in Moirang constituency. The committee has further urged the government to blacklist the culprit contractors who misappropriated the welfare funds. Speaking to media at the committee office today, Committee Secretary M. Sharad claimed that the misappropriation of funds came to light through RTI, lauding the government for nabbing Bishnupur PWD executive engineer for misusing public funds. Sharad urged authorities concerned to award befitting punishment to such offenders.
Mending of potholes from Moirang Lamkhai to Moirang Bazar. High river development work ni pansimung the pothole menbegi yawe adu improvement gisu ani thong yawe. IBR road amada improvement amasung pothole menbegi tongan ba senpham time matam mamatara lokthok pa haiba sisu Moirang Prajasana singnai maramaduna vigilance department na marik chamna thigat pire harakanda special contractor sing thikadar sing Moirang Prajagi maikai degi blacklist ta thambiyo haina Manipur government amadi vigilance da ekhoi request tawjari.
On the other hand, office bearers of BJP Moirang Mandal and MLA office refuted the allegations regarding misappropriation of PWD work program fund for 2017-18 in Moirang constituency as a ploy to defame the local MLA. The office bearers and media persons inspected the work sites under the program today. Speaking on the sidelines, Private Secretary of MLA P. Sharachandra Hemam Boya expressed disappointment at the allegations. He asserted that the local MLA has initiated various welfare projects to transform Moirang.
Moirang MLA CDP Sharachandra Singhabu Mingchat Thina Namagi Adugumba Threaten Namakak engineers sing the Tokibase was strongly BJP Moirang Mandalamasung MLA office Moirang na condemn tawi sangut kiba augmentation of Moirang water supply scheme ngasi fail oiduna leire. Vigilance department su sigumba thabak tawduna crore 19 hena paisa mangan kiba sidi tumina yengduna leire harga angi plan gi tha thaki paisa thabak su phajana suba thabak singa sidadi state vigilance department na politically P Sharachandra Singha mingchat thina nabgi damakta honarak pathawang kudimak se condemn tawi.
Traffic Control Wing Manipur organized one-day community policing traffic awareness program at Noni Bazar Community Hall in Noni district today. District SP PG Singh Sid IPS Traffic Control Wing Manipur SP Krishnam Sarma and Wing Additional SP Joyraj gave resourceful insights in the event. Speaking at the event, Traffic Control Wing SP Krishnam Sarma stated that road mishaps can be avoided to a great extent if people follow traffic rules. She asserted that some police personnel of the district will be trained on traffic rules in Imphal at the earliest, as there is not even a single traffic police in Noni district at present.
2018 496 people police accident for 2018 2019 475 people have died because of accident. 475 se moise kahta malala moise punishment am phangabane nonegi police da koi traffic ki police laite adana sir nasu service staff ki mi sing designate tawala koi khala traffic ki training si tawala thar ke hai adana koi da mangani tarani mina traffic rules si khamdu pawwa koi traffic police na training tawsaraga hai mi sing na aga nonegi praja dunia ki traffic ki seva tawala duma ekuni mai ke si assurance na thamsage.
Additional SP of Traffic Control Wing Manipur, Joyraj, stated that more than 150,000 people die in road accidents in a year in India. He maintained that violation of traffic rules is one major cause of road mishaps. Joyraj urged the public to follow traffic rules to save life and not just to avoid fines.
Traffic rules follow finally semang forum ni, adu dana aku ini ni tiga tu budi accident ko pagada aku thawai thabagi thawai mangbagi chances tu yang lai bani na rather than fine ni mota aku consider musibiraga or fellow driver fellow road user pedestrian वगैरह cyclist वगैरह motorcyclist वगैरह or four wheeler or heavy vehicle थोड़ी बसें आई अमदी आई fellow drivers fellow user of the road में हम जिंदगी respect amadi nusibiraga punsibu nusibiraga traffic rules se follow tawnaba aina appeal tawjari.
A team of Kaching District Police Commando arrested one person with 90,000 World is Yours tablet around 12:30 p.m. today. The miscreant is identified as 29-year-old Thongja Thang Haukip alias Thang Boy, son of late Satkholai from Chikim village of More Ward number 9 in Technopal district. According to Impact News sources, a team of Commando Kaching led by additional SP operation in Natrajit supervised by Kaching SP carried out frisking operations on all the vehicles passing through Palel market. Thongja Thang was carrying the drugs in 9 packets wrapped in a black polythene bag in his backpack. On the spot interrogation by the police revealed that Thongja Thang was delivering the tablets to a woman named Hoinu Haukip at Saitu Supermaina in Kampupi district. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a combined police team confiscating 4 kg of Rimdol 50 capsules worth around 2 crore 3 lakh rupees in Jirbam district last night. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. A combined team of Jirbam District Police and Anti-Drug Cell has seized 4 kg of Tramadol hydrochloride capsules, also known as Rimdol 50, worth around 2 crore 3 lakh rupees last night. Acting on a tip-off, Jirbam District Police team led by OC Inspector L. Kogen along with the Anti-Drug Cell team carried out frisking operations at various parts of Jirbam district and seized the illegal drugs from one Ashok Leland truck bearing registration number AS01JC2823 at around 7:30 p.m. Driver of the truck is a 19-year-old Nongsaibam Reyes alias Yaima, son of late and Tombi from Yaripok, Taupokpi, Sabaleka in Imphal East District. The team caught him carrying 90,990 Rimdol 50 capsules in 3 cartons. Jirbam Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway.
Manipur Sarkar local drive against drugs. Asigi challenge asiga mari lenana satharapa mikup nahom singna leiriba ikhogi check posting leiriba singasi alert tawduna asugunaba policy phananaba amasung atopa anti social loiba activists singasi phananginta matam leba kibik ta mikup na hong sing na district police na kono na laki district police na asigum leba thaba ase ninghan balai tana koi tongji gani ningai ro drug sing si phari ba police ki team asida tasengna ehak ki district ki SP amoina koi puning thogapa amasung koi ki dedication koi ki devotion khang bakan ba adu ki damakta ehana case prize na policy nga kai masu koi behana khusin na
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Dental College held its third graduation day celebrations at RIMS Jubilee Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister Langpunglakpam Jayanta Kumar assured that the state government will recruit medical officers including dental surgeons in the near future. He termed the medical profession a noble profession and urged medical professionals to abide by professional ethics. 29 graduates took Hippocratic oath at the event.
And we all know that today's world is a scientific world. The deadly accuracy in diagnosis depend on the latest scientific equipment, which are very, very costly, that everyone knows. And yet again, perhaps due to the environmental changes, nature gives another threat to human lives in the form of new diseases or new disorders. The connotation of the term life as enshrined in the law of the land is even expanding. And the government of India, taking all the responsibilities, has given certain commitments to give primary importance on health sector. The concepts like free health games, then again free diagnostic facilities, free treatments, and the health insurances, etc., etc., are but some of the initiatives taken up so far by the government of India and the state government as well.
Ahead of World Physical Therapy Day tomorrow, Indian Association of Physiotherapy Women's Cell Manipur State Unit organized a free physiotherapy camp at All Age Home Mongshangai today. Vice President of All Manipur Senior Citizen Welfare Association S. Kunjabihari, Secretary B. Sanamacha, RIMS Senior Physiotherapist, State Coordinator of Indian Association of Physiotherapists Manipur State Unit, Dr. Angom Brita, and many others attended the camp. Speaking at the event, Sub-Coordinator of Indian Association of Physiotherapists Manipur State Unit, Dr. Kame Holita Kabui stated that the theme for World Physical Therapy 2019 is chronic pain. She asserted that members of the association enlightened the inmates of the all-age home on various exercises for relieving body pains.
World Physiotherapy Day gi mari leinana akoina all age day da chronic pain haiba theme ni makhada pangthok chabani World Confederation Physical Therapy se 1996 gi start tobani aduga ngasi akoina all age home da pangtho ibasi akoina ahan senior citizen sing moigi age factor ka mari leinana lakpa degenerative condition mayam dagi karamna ngakthokani aibedi moigi further damage of the joint dagi akoina ngakthokpa yaba adugumba exercise gumba treatment gumba khara ko akoina demonstrate amasu treatment awareness camp oina pangthokpani ngasigi
Nauyok Naukol Loop and Joint Development Organization in collaboration with the Directorate of Ayush organized one-day awareness program on Japanese encephalitis and distribution of Belladonna 200 at Senjam Chirang Primary School and Senjam Kuno Mairapaibi Shanglen today. Free Belladonna 200 medicines were distributed to around 3,500 people in the program. SI School Kanchipur held its Literary Meet-cum Teachers Day celebrations at the school campus today. Speaking on the occasion, school founder C.H. Jotin urged examiners of high school Living Certificate HSLC examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM to work honestly. He recalled that a student of the school was placed in the 23rd position in BOSEM HSLC examination 2016 upon rechecking through RTI.
SSS examination da position yawm daga yawm mi ga haibda ina suggestion tawning bam khangna hojiki oja sing je yaingai di koi si yeng matam da koi gi yam section bi ba loina tabulation taw da su oja ne oja sing je yam phana section bi ba oja ma ai di ai gi mi gi hab nai dana ai koi na tawri thabak da khichang sincere oina thabak tawning ai koi na board khakta da koi na madu maran pi su langani maram de si yeng su oja ni tabulation taw ju oja ni oja sing na section wal hob de moi ju contribute de chang ngane du moi gi di koi gi mo section ne biba moi bu yang chen biba aduga board ke ju kitang sincere oina thabak to haningi.
20 people who recently completed 3-month assistant electrician training course at Bhubon Technical and Skill Development BTSD Private Limited, Lamdeng Kuno, Lamshang under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY have left Imphal to join Crown Electromechanical Private Limited. A flagging of the team from the institute campus today, BTSD chairman Naurem Nabachandra stated that BTSD is a private company registered with the National Skill Development Corporation. He maintained that BTSD has been providing skill development training courses in various trades including assistant electrician, plumber, general, mason general and tourism and hospitality under PMKVY free of cost. He mentioned that the private company has so far trained 1,500 people and 600 got job placements in various parts of the country. Nabachandra asserted that BTSD gives free job placements to the trainees without charging any commission.
How's it going to Sida, Saba Takpa Amadi, Lebam Chabam, when a free of course, the Pizabani, Pradamati question because Makadadi, Manipur Residential Institute, Hangwashi, Shina Hanbani, Hariba Institute, Singida, Pass out students, India, the Maming Labour Institute, wherever law company Sindagi, Joe Pizagada for life. Naharan Sinda, the Manipuri, youthing the Napin Tajanibadi. Iram the Masida, I like Hire, I like Tamabani, I wasn't in my fan defend Tauraga, I could one at Tamala Matunda, how Fangane as hard as Hopigano, Matamaha Lagansi, walk. Sagarpada, Eko Isa Getunda, government Tabak Naigunusi, government Tabak Naibaki Mahota, I can hizervation from Kursina. Economically, Iramda Masida, Tabuk Toduna, Shantok, Yanuma Pandigi Pujilaga, economic sound and Bada, Mipunkodamaki, Taito.
Sagolban MLA RK Imo distributed gas connection under Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana along with 3 saplings to 250 beneficiaries of the constituency today. Speaking at the event, RK Imo urged women folks of the constituency to get the benefits of various women empowering central schemes. Sagolban Constituency Progressive Committee organized the event along with Patso Indian and Kanchi Indian Gas Agencies at the local MLA's residence. RK Imo asserted that Sagolban is leading other constituencies in development. Leaflets containing various upcoming developmental works of the constituency for the year were distributed to attendees at the event.
Development programs Akwai mafam kudimakta ina sig yendokchaba chesing akwai brochure si akwai chahigi oiba program sing aina pangthok sariba sida lakpiri bai mai ben singna akwai MLA se kari pangthu ye se khangdaba su dum yarong ngani laikai du da tauba lambi bu seme drain bu chale community hall bu sare club bu sa adudi urong ngani laikai da taubu wang mada kendra sida pangtho iba kari thoram pangtho ige tori ge habsi khangna dabanina Masi khang na bagi mayam do open noi na ba haigadra aina tawjari base mayam khangminasi.
District Administration Thoubal conducted a sensitization workshop cum meeting on welfare works of the centre and state governments at the conference hall of DCE Thoubal office today. Resource persons from various departments stressed on Beti Bachao Beti Parao, Portion Ma, 7th Economic Census, women and child related issues, CMHT and PMJY health schemes, etc. Jai Jagat 2020 Coordinating Committee Manipur has stated that 2 Manipuris will take part in the Jai Jagat 2020 on the Move for Peace and Justice rally, which will kick off from New Delhi on October 2 on the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The rally will pass through various states spreading the message of peace, harmony and non-violence. The marchers will reach Ahmedabad on February 1st, 2020 and will set off for Iran and 9 other countries and reach Geneva on September 25, 2020. A week-long observance will be held at Geneva where various traditional performances will be showcased. Altogether, 200 people will rally across the country and 50 people will set for Geneva.
भारत की अवांग नोंपोक लमदम द लेरिबा मणिपुर दगी सु सही अब सुपना चकदा बखोई की खोमीरोय अनि याउजै अनि सुबा phase ki People's Assembly asida stage da Manipur dagi koi mioi tara na saruk yagani sigi khongchat asida ngasi bawda mayam na mateng pangbirei masine kona badinate musi jarabiram da mirai cha sing stage da koi request tawjaning badi committee stage na mateng pangma kan stage da sojok pibidu mateng pangbiu sahi ama chupna coordination committee Manipur na ngasi dagi na hauraga akoi gi lakadaba 2nd October 2020 bawda da makhan mathen gi activities mayam ama state level da local level da pangtok tana hairiba campaign asigi solidarity utkani.
Members of Manipur State Commission for Women and Little Flower School 1995 batch passed out students have presented food items at Flamingo Mental Health Care and De-Addiction for Women's Center, Ghari Maninglaikai. Today, they gave the items appreciating the center's role in bringing a healthy society. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch has announced the names of 92 beneficiaries for the third phase of the Livelihood Program, Ashagi Mangal project under the International Committee of Red Cross and Indian Red Cross Society National Headquarters. Details are available in the Society's office. Golden Art Productions' video album titled Ngamlaroi Miraiba Nangbu, directed by Ajit Ningthauja, was released at IPS Jelina Audio Visual Lab in Kanchipur today. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lorha Foze calls for unity of hills and valley inhabitants for peace and prosperity on 36th Foundation Day celebrations of Manipur Hills Journalists Union. Talks between Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren and members of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee bring no solution. SDC resolves to intensify agitation. And all Manipur Poultry and Dairy Young Farmers Entrepreneurs and Association urges government to check illegal imports of poultry in the state.